in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, this is Deadeye. If you're wondering what Indoor Nerf War Part 2 is, well, we're having trouble uploading it. I don't know what we gotta do with. I don't know what problem, but this won't upload. Okay. So if you have any idea for next Nerf video, please comment below. Thank you.